Welcome. This is our 2-bedroom, 2-bath Modena floor plan. Our kitchen comes fully equipped, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, island in the middle, open concept to the living room right there. If you look to the left, as soon as you come in the front door, there is a coat closet here. Call box so you can let guests in. They can buzz your apartment. You can also talk to them. To the left here is the master bedroom. Huge windows in here. Nice big walk-in closet into the master bath with a walk-in shower. This floor plan is really nice because in this master bathroom you have a linen closet in here. Tons of storage space. Back into the living room. Across the living room into the hallway here, you have your second bedroom. Once again, a really nice size window here. Lots of natural light. Another nice walk-in closet. Back out into the hallway. We have full-size washer and dryers in every apartment. Storage space above washer and dryers are right there. And this is the second bath. So this one has a tub in it. Huge bathroom. Back out into the hallway. Living room again. Really nice size patios. All of our apartments come with either patios or balconies.